Welcome to Star Biker, where we bring you the latest updates from the motorcycle world. Today, we are taking a concise look at the 2026 Honda Unicorn 160, a commuter bike that continues Honda's legacy of comfort, reliability, and refined performance. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 160 features a clean and mature design with subtle sporty touches. Updated body graphics, a sculpted fuel tank, and a premium finish give it a modern road presence while keeping the classic Unicorn identity intact. Engine and performance. Powering the Unicorn 160 is a refined 160 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency. The engine offers responsive acceleration for city riding and relaxed cruising on highways, making it ideal for daily commuters. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort remains a strong point with an upright riding posture, well-padded seat, and balanced suspension setup. The Unicorn 160 handles uneven roads confidently, ensuring a stable and fatigue-free ride even on longer journeys. Features and technology. The 2026 model is expected to include modern essentials like a digital analog instrument cluster, LED lighting, and improved braking support. These features enhance everyday usability while maintaining simplicity. Safety and braking. Safety is addressed with reliable disc brakes and advanced braking assistance, offering controlled stopping power and confidence in urban traffic and highway conditions. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 160 stands out as a dependable, comfortable, and efficient commuter motorcycle. It's a smart choice for riders who value smooth performance, low maintenance, and long-term reliability. Stay tuned to Star Biker for more motorcycle updates and reviews.